Unafu bohife omono na this blew up. Which I greet you. Tell you obia. Odiri Ugochukwu. Kai wolu 0 bitters we mwili mgbede amu. Yodana. Kai wolu 0 bitters we mwili mgbede amu. Share this video. Share this video. Here, Odiri Ugochukwu. Mercy for them. For Gono. From Okoko. These people, they can settle for less. They can settle for less. They can settle for less. I am with peace, so they will not have peace. Somebody be a why not eat to Mathias in Ifomel? And me to Mathias in Ifomel. Obulago. Ahoria wonye nke ye buje na that thing o mepelu. First, one thing I want you to notice in that hospital, no go je go see her doctor's hospital. Guess mbamba enlargement picture haka signboard if I yoba juwe me campaign. Okwema board if I yoba neti Ebube Chukwuzo foundation mo Afi Igbo Efuna. Mo Senator Patrick Ivayiva for Senate. Mbomba signboard da. Etu aka picture ya na nwunye kono office doctor. Ha. What does he show you? No onye wu doctor. Kedu onye bu doctor ka na ajo. Ebe abia n'ime office doctor. Mbamba enlargement picture haka television na nkobe na pala. Ebu warose ebua. Doctor no letua. Nwunye doctor no letua. So ana ma ajo apart from being that GO. So na Mathias wu a doctor called Wamaham. Ha ebusichakwa ha mmadu na ana Igbo. Ebusichakwa ha mmadu na ana Igbo. Then somebody aputas him. Why can't you commend Mathias for at least opening a chemist, not a hospital? Praise him for what exactly? I am asking you. Praise him for what? Look at Seraphic Hospital. A standard hospital only Bololo. O praise the good Seraphic Hospital for 1 day. For 1 day. If he cannot praise a hospital as solid as Seraphic Hospital, Apostle Chibuzo of Omega Power Ministry will more than 14 hospitals that are 100% free. Otodana Hospital Chibuzo. The same hospital Akudo here, Iyenu, and so many other hospitals. Ndokamwelu. Otodana any of them. Don't worry, echinine. Ono ya for my own hospital. Ututu echinine. Mme go soon my own hospital kanke Mathias mma. Mme go soon my own hospital kanke Mathias mma. Anonom no kwuru na ezugo wu onye 50,000 ezugo bido ku iwerie. Mwa nka wezugo. An importer, an international businessman not to come. Oche na mu nda na esu anwuru na bia na church ye. Oche na mu nda je nyule mo oche na bia na church ye. Nda na ele ogwu oke. Nda na ele ogwu oke. Until okay, I greet you. Mathias is 50,000. Me change you no. Kuiweli oche na mu je park. Ogaramu international businessman ya na ndocha na emeko business. Ocheramu na ewu. Ocheramu na kopu tipa. Ocheramu na kopu tipa. Jenu gwa Mathias na ma ha kopu gongolo. Jenu gwa Mathias na answer na ma da kopu gongolo. Even wo international businessman na emeko business with ndocha. Na efepu na bata. Isi okwu asị no famgono do ka akpọrọ ya. O nwere isi okwu asị no famgono amana asị no onye abagana. Nda ejikwa ntụtụ gbawu mmadụ. Hey, Okarisia nwanyị. I greet you. Hey, Chineke. O nwere ife oge Edwin Igwedelu. Edwin isele actually no ya for my own hospital. Mathias is not against people building hospital, but encouraging people to build hospital. Then all Edwin all no do her against people building hospital. Ugboro ne ko comment digolu. Imukudi hospital e go bi when na Lagos. Edwin, when you get to Lagos, gwa mmadu nya kporogo ojeru na Seraphic Hospital. Ijecha na Seraphic Hospital puta. Even na Mathias bu obi ojo, Mathias bu obi akpo. Chemist ya, Even though we feel after mamu na ebe ndano. Asim no bed na bu we fit na hospital ahụ. Ofoye we je tag ya mu. Ebe Mathias si foto na nke bu bed ito. Oga onye atag na nke bu bed ito. Nlasha poso jewe na nke no su mgbe Isiagu ruo ebe a. Owuri bed not na nke no su mgbe Isiagu. Not ito. Ay, Chineke go. Ay, ogono de fa. Wunu mbam so se ego this guy ji welu signboard nke Donilo. Signboard nke Donilo. Analysis all hold the signboard I'm telling you. So se ego this guy ji welu agba signboard hand Donilo analysis. Diagnostic center, hijab analysis. Analysis, Pierre. 3-story building, go this side. 3-story building, this side. Now, the new one. Analysis. Obiaka Hodo. Akehodo. Analysis, still the signboard. Mathias will go Kanya. Man, action go, Gio. The guy just. They don't spend the economy relevant things. Guy number one, onye design signboard ha. Gwenya kokwa nke ha kapala anọ ne. Ma pedo na enu no mmadu. Onye bi tenant, ọ na-akụ flower. Onye bi tenant, ọ na-azụ nkụta na ọkụkọ. Efuta na onye bi tenant be mmadu. Say I am a livestock farmer. N'uno mmadu. No signboard ha kapala anọ. Je kupowe ne and ebe ahụ kudori ewu flat onye ọzọ. Ịghọtana because na that ụlọ enu ahụ ebe ahụ rent Lord using church na ebe ahụ. Ai Chineke God. That guy is very funny. That guy is very funny and local. That guy is very funny and local at the same time. Hey! So no, if I'm Mathias mepeluta, So if I'm Mathias mepeluta, Mathias na alu since over 2 years and to 3 years. Like that in mepeluta. I can comfortably do it in 1 month. Me pay the second month. What is there? What is there? What if it do there? Now we find alo since over 3 years. Kaji wena announce this hospital. Waja ha na ebute ego. Waja bute ego. Gbogbo ngo. Waja majite ego. Ma waja na majite ego majite. O majite ego omo na mpo. Ya Chineke. Eweje kuo ewa niile no na Anambra State. For dancers niile no na Anambra State. Where they Igbo. Do ndị no obosi emepelu Seraphic Hospital na Lagos. Ana m ajụ unu. Rosios boss Bosca Bundegba. Jaike Nwamba kulegwu obosi emepelu Seraphic Hospital. I'm asking you. Kele onye kulegwu obosi emepelu Seraphic Hospital. Ọwụrụ na dirty flat dị etu ahụ. Ebe eje wota hospital ahụ uju na ekene dịrị Chukwu na ile odibe ha lụrụ na Ọnịcha na Mkpọ. Ndị landlord nwụna ahụ echefugo na property ahụ na-eme exist. On the lawyer na-erizi ego property niile ahụ. o nwere ike if na that flat can akwụ 92,000 in a year. I'm telling you, that flat nwere ike that nya idede the building if no old houses dụcha na mkpọ ekene dị chukwu ha chefucha na alụ na nya edeghị na well edeghị na well ịghọtara ọnya wife eji wee mee hospital you know ọ na-aka mma ọ na-ịchọ ka mmadụ too ife imelu ifu nke onye ọzọ melu too nke onye ọzọ melu ifu nke onye ọzọ melu too nke onye ọzọ melu. Another thing is that Mathias has always been against ndị ụka ịlụcha hospital na ego Mathias is against ndị ụka ịlụcha school na ego. Enwere m 4 tasks first for Omenala hospital. Ụnụ ya gwọkata mmadụ gba ọsọ. Agwa ndị Omenala hospital. Ụnụ ya gwọkata mmadụ gba ọsọ. O nwere onye omenala mma bụ omenala n'isi. In fact, since nji wee marry for over 7 years, Isiagu ka ọ na-eyi. Onye pịa n'abalị ọsọ ya yiri n'ụtụtụ. Ọ batakwa na mgbede ọsọ ya yiri. Aka ọ na-anya n'onu, aya eji wee bido shop aka. Nya aka ọ na-anya n'onu ma nke ọ na-anya n'aka. Ọkụ kiosk ọ ya eji wee bido shop ebe a na-ele aka and kiosk. Ịghọtago? That man ahụ adụghị sinsi. Ịghọtago? Ọ na-akpagharịzi ịghọtago na ndị mmadụ ego wee je na anacha nwa treatment and o nwere nnukwute ọnya o bu n'ọkpa. Imife mmemme mma eji aka m burie na moto nlute like ebe a minute to Omenala hospital a anọrọ m na moto ebe ahụ tụọrọ ya aka sie jee na hospital ahụ anyị treat you free. Iru ebe a kọwalụ ha onwe gị ha chọọ ha bịa na Godion region Nnewi ya anyị edeghị ha akwụkwọ gosiri na onye a so na ndị na-eme eme na Godion region na Nnewi ya nya ndị na-aka ụka na okwu edo. Ịghọtago? Nya jee dia nya jee dia na anyị treat you free. Onye nke ahụ number 1 o. The second person wu dibịa anya nzu mana since nji wee malụ ihe o nwere ahụ na-arịa ife ahụ mmadụ amaghị ife na-arịa ya ife ahụ. O nwere onye mụ ife na-arịa ya ife ahụ. Ịghọtago? Onye nke ahụ mma agwa ya bịa na onye nzọpụta abịago. Salvation is here for him. Mbugide elute na in fact ntụkata ndị mmadụ that Omenala hospital aka Mathias ya si onye chetara ife a ọkwọ ọ chọrọ ịrọ hospital. Ịghọtago? And ndị otu ya chọrọ anyị pụta ka anyị kọwara ya aka na ha na-akụ ịgba na-agba egwu. O nwere ebe anyị nọ na the first time m balụ Seraphic Hospital. That should be about maybe 1 month ago or 1 month plus ago. I'm with my friend in somewhere na Festac 41 road. The wife wee kpọọ ya wee gwa na onwere ka ahụ si eme na ha bi na that Victory Estate na onwe ka ahụ si eme na ebu ejewe Seraphic Hospital. Mwe si oke ka ije ebe a anyị wee jewe ebe a. Ịghọtago? Wee rue o nwere onye sịrị all fingers are not equal. So no ma all fingers are not equal, of course, but it is left for you to understand that indeed all fingers are not equal. All fingers are not equal, but you don't want to live up to that, knowing that all fingers are not equal. You keep talking without meet you up with the action. That is where we have problem. I've always told Mathias, learn from these guys. These guys are far ahead of you. You can learn more from them if you can humble yourself. You can learn more from them if you can humble yourself. Mwesolu, my friend, webia Victory Estate around ebe after 8 to 9 on Kaban. ebe after 8-9 nke abalị wee bata na Seraphic Hospital for like ebe 5 minutes I wee bata na this hospital. I was sure almost etu a mechie. I was moving around up and down. Nigga anya mwejo mmadụ wee sị so na Evangelist Ebuka Obi nwere ụdị hospital dị etu a. Mathias wee mmeghe ọnụ wee na-asị hospital jikwose, hospital jigarisi, hospital jikwose, hospital jigarisi. Can this man within the next 5 years, I am glad that na mgbe ọ na-eme opening ceremony of that hospital no kwuru we need to start little. We need to start little. For me, they didn't even start. It is not even something to call on Ndigbo to come and celebrate. Otherwise, Agbango, the Ebuka Obi Eji Bosca, Webulu, Chijoke Mwasadebe, Ndigbo, Kelafaye, Ozemen, not Kelafaye, Ayaka Ozobro, Ejake Wamba, Wahafaha, Ojazi Igbo niile. Igbe credo na amambem. Oye eji Bosca 7 we load one day niile no na Isiagu ha bia Lagos. We be mepe Seraphic Hospital. Did you even see the psychiatric hospital Ebuka Obi na Anambra State? I'm going to post the video again tomorrow morning so that you will see the magnificent building this guy may set up na Anambra State here. But these guys, they cannot appreciate anything a pastor meal, but they want us to come and start celebrating Kanta. Mathias Ezeaku na mpo. I will show Mathias a better building where he can move that hospital to. Let him move that hospital to this building. That building is more clean and neat. It's more clean and neat. Yes. They need infection. They don't need to go there. They contract here infection. You should learn from the people who knows this more than you. Oblide nye some bottle blah 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 blah. Oro na nda unde nwere akonuche. Apostleship uzo of OPM na Port Harcourt there. That man nwelu more than 14 hospitals that are free. More than 14 hospitals that are free. These guys are not about one day. Yet that man a credit. They have never given that man a credit. But suddenly they want us to be all around Facebook talking about Mathias and the cubicle. Wole go oyeji we go kologbo. Ya na chemist. Wole je bie mbomba billboard. Ona achoka attention. Man ocho igosi ndem mmadụ no na asha attention. This cubicle okolo na mpo. O mo na ha. When they learn to start giving credit to the men deserve that credit. In this life, you cannot grow by ogona. If undekago, ena magoha. You got to go. If undekago, ena magoha. If undekago, ena magoha. It should be the yellow wine. It should be a dream of yellow zero bitters. Of yellow bitter drink. Ibuluzo kotobanka kozayon lolo. Why can't you go and buy Nkaku Zion? Test here. Na nene package in Nkaku Zion. Learn something from Nkaku Zion now. Well wrong ke better. That is how to do things. Ebuka Obi with standard hospital with ambulances. As I'm going with ambulances. They can give any emergency service at any time. You need to take a trip to that hospital. When you go to that hospital, you will call me and say what? Go to Iyenu. Go to the Sun Hospital. Go to so many mission hospitals around. Yes. Go there. You will see. So, when they were making noise about this hospital, there is something I was expecting to see. Now, Owuluna, na this hospital in a rented, dilapidated flat. What should you rent this hospital? Can you fetch this hospital since over 3 years ago? Are you telling me that you need take 3 years repainting a flat? putting shelf in that flat, or putting what? I want to know what took Mathias more than 3 years. Yeah? I want to know what took Mathias more than 3 years to actualize just yesterday. Just today. Ndi Igbo ebe niile. In my mind, I was expecting something. He started showing us signboard for that hospital more than 3 months to 4, 5, 6 months ago. He started advertising that billboard, showing us that we are expecting something. Wow! Indeed, today, unveil lawyer. Biakam Bojehu now a photo pharmacy shop do new teaching hospital nowhere. Ilueba careful what you should expect from a glorified chemist. If I home a pelu chemist, I should make a pharmacy shop. She call Isiagu. She call you Mazoya that 17,000 every month. Another camera 80. I am Fam Ebuka. I am no Cinderella. I am a check and Malone. I say I am Dr. Ezeaku. I am Dr. Waja. Ne check and foot doctor on that hospital. Away bar no office. Away bar no office. Say na if I will office doctor. We na anya around office doctor. We from bomba. Enlargement picture Mathias Ezeaku 65 inches television. They divide into 2. Nyanwa zegeru n'ofu. Nwunye zegeru n'ofu. Iji we go say no nyanwa wo doctor no na that Quack hospital. I was expecting that he will do better. For talking down on people who have done wonders. I was expecting him to do better. Do you know what it means for you to talk down on Toma wine? You talk down on Toma wine. So when you Toma wine or nonsense. Then we started waiting, anticipating for the arrival of your wonderful wine. Wow! It is so bonafia. You want us to come and stand up and celebrate you. Did you celebrate Toma wine? Yes. Did you celebrate Toma wine? He commended onion with Toma wine. He appreciated onion with Toma wine. Why should we now turn around and start celebrating your Zobo? I'm asking you. Let us be realistic. Yeah? There is nothing surprising about what they did today at all. Reason it in a week where we are looking up to the one that Yemen Gopal. He thought it's going to distract us. It will not distract us. He got to go. Only exactly few days to Imechi, 3 days fast. Imechi 100 days fasted. Oh, Oshena Ayama Ifone. I am with on him now. I am with on him. This Teresa Road on a front or so on ever. Your people, they have left you behind here. You know, ever I didn't I that your people, they have left you behind here. You know, ever I didn't He can okay, follow comment Waja na that program. I'm on Waja the week. Because I'm on Waja thing and nothing less than 6 or 7 million na that project or thing more than 10 million na that project. Waja thing more than 10 million na that project. So you can have okpu ya say, hey, we think we and unnecessary money go since. I didn't give you mother belly. Jevenu na that hospital, Omenala Igbo. Your people will cry. Mathias is new treatment free. Mathias in Kemwa. ya enye treatment free. Ọkwụnụ chọrọ ije na-akpọkọta ndị kpuru isi je na-akpọkọta ndị kụrụ ngwọrọ je na-akpọkọta ndị afọ tolu na-akpụje ha n'ụlọ ụka ka e were miracle oyi wee gwọọ ha. Mma pakịrị ego tipa load of ndị omenala akụ adịghọ budata ya na mkpọ ị ya agba ọsọ from office doctor ya tata ka ị ya agba n'ego ka eji egota paradol etina dispensary dị n'ụlọ ọgwụ. Tata ka ị ya agba na running an establishment demanding ego ọgwa Chineke mekara na mmadụ ebere amụkata ma amụ na Teresa Road ifụbụrụ ife ọ ga-ahụ mmanụ isi ebe a pụ BP ya emugwego ị bịara peji ọfụ ịfọra ndị otu ga-agbakọsara peji ị ka nọrọ ebe Chineke God anọ m amụkata m amụ today ejere m somewhere very far wee si ebe ahụ njelu wee na-agbagbanata ruo Nnewi because na-enwere my very good friend January today o je mee more like ife agwa ngwụ. So I came back from far interstate movement. I came back. I went to that akwanku no leba na my phone. No kata fe ba na akọ igba. Igbidi ana eti igba nsi ogunu na-eme. Ogunu ka na lunch. Ma ndị na-akwụ ụgba. Ma ndị na-adata gido n'elu ibe ha. Nsi kere ife na-eme hia. Nene onye ọ na-ata ga ezugo na-ata gị ma aghala wee sị ka nje pipu dị ya ka mmadụ ife na-eme dị ya n'anya nsi no ya akwụkwọ na Mathias emepego that hospital o na last time o gosiri anyị ife gbasara that hospital o gosiri anyị bọọdụ mgbamgba bọọdụ ha ka bọọdụ ahụ adụ nchọ nọ 911 ọ trailer anyị ebute that board ebe a imagine ebe trailer butelu bọọdụ signboard anyị eti na hospital mana pick up mana ọgwụ duzi na chemist wụ na azụ butu ka adọghịrị ya misplaced priority anyị for last time ebe o gosiri anyị mgbamgba signboard ọwụ crane bịa hang ịghọtago nsi okay na this hospital ka m fie or 2-story building ka ọ 3 with elevator ịghọtago kere ife ọrụrụ here we need to see something more standard than Seraphic Hospital. That is the man you have constantly belittled. Why are you gradually doing what that man has been doing? The only thing Ebukobi emeho in emeho opening branches all over. Because Ebukobi had the emepe branches all over. Opening branches all over. That is one thing Ebukobi had the but every other thing Ebukobi neme, you are doing it, and before you can talk down on that man, make sure that na anything he career. Yes, anything or name is supposed to make career. That man, Lochalo, Seraphic Hospital a long time ago, and they equipped to that hospital. Every day he had that new things at that hospital. He came down to Anambra State. Now, psychiatric home, very standard. Very soon, Mandeni na juru n'ime Omenala Mathias Ezeaku na anwụ Igbo na anwụ kolos ya wefu anya ha adụkọ na-emechi a na-akụ igba ha na-akụ ha na-agba egwu anya ha adụkọ na-emechi unu niile ya nọ na that kelafa ya psychiatric home Ebukobi na-alụ. Very soon, I assure you one thing. Onwe nwanne Igbo gbara ala nwe nwanne kolosu gbara ala kpọrọ ekpoje dia, he or she will be comfortable there. Onole mkpụrụ mmiri onye mkpụrụ mmiri gbara because achọpụtara m na ife mmelu umokorobia bayi ji wee na-akọkasị wo too much abuse of ọgwụ ike, too much abuse of ọgwụ ike. Onya melu oyeji wee ifu a young guy nọ na 18 years ọ na-akọsasị ifu ọnụ ya ọ na-eji ka onye ji shakole echiche enu ọnụ ya agbụwasịcha ine na-aka ya ebe o si akpa ya ebe ọfụcha wap. How do you expect somebody ji na-alụ ọgwụ ike wee ṅụkọ ụbụrụ ya ka ọ na-atị nke in a same way? So that is why sometimes ụfọdụ n'ime ha na-sound ka broken record. I don't mind because I know what is happening. Are they not living with us in our community? So we know them. We know them. So very soon, do not worry again. Evangelist Ebuka Obi able to go. That matter to rest. Take your son, take your daughter, take your brother, take your sister, even your husband, order you at that psychiatric home. It is very comfortable. It is very comfortable. I am going to post that psychiatric home tomorrow morning or this night. You will see the wonders this man is doing. They cannot commend him. One day say Ebuka Obi is trying, but they want me to start celebrating the kubico. Echini ile gbamu je na nke nurse Umuezago ka nje gbalu video na nke nurse Umuezago ka igbam nurse Umuezago na nke Mathias ka nkeka obuko to haje ku egwu ụbọchị nurse Umuezago mepele ebe ahụ na anọ Teresa Road, you are wasting your time here. Have you not seen? Kekusu we wolo nakewu. Kekusu we wolo nakewu no here since now sound like a broken record. Sometimes amrom no na ha. Sometimes una ha do enenu onwun. Ana na jo. Sometimes una ha no kata wala kun examine onwun. I'm asking you in ever since na repeat onwe. Even when people are ignoring you. You are still here making noise. Even when people are, it's so obvious that people are ignoring. But the kind of word they use, Ruketa, I will use Zoe again. I will block you. I don't want to block you because I want you to be here while we laugh at Mathias. Yes. I want you. The very dark man need the repotaketa. That hospital or whatever thing he calls it is substandard, and our people should not even go there to go and risk whatever thing name ha. Can you that thing name? Tejusicha surgery. Kelonye yekwe keje me surgery eba. I'm asking you. Konye yekwe keje me surgery eba. Ke wolu obejiri webu wasicha afọ. I'm asking you. Ha say you need delete to ye for what? Onye ko to benalo. Kelonios omebe say that this person is doing a good job. I'm asking you. Madone ko to benalo. Can even Meji do impressed by that thing when I know that there are so many pastors or churches that have standard hospitals all over. Yeah? I'm asking. Do you want me to take you to Ebende the Sang Hospital, with that Catholic diocese, Ebehane Melab? I can go to that hospital. Iwaji, Nene Hospital, if here the cheapest place is a memu lab na newia. Webana well. Iwaji desigido lab desigido ma paternity test ma ifeni ne inwerike ime just share egi ejikwu ugwo enwerike wona back pocket okay ya gopụta ewe kwuo. You don't want to commend those people, but you want us to come and celebrate one of the abandoned building ekenete ichukwu ije kopele. I painti muhoti painti shebe mmiri na-eriki na I posted it. Yeah? And ebe ahụ mmiri na-ehi iwu ebe ọ sị no lab. Yeah? Ebe ọ sị no lab. I painti shi muhodu ka i wee malụ how dilapidated that building do. Abandoned building. Abandoned one. Abandoned one. Nyaki jewulu obi aka hodogo potasi okay kije na a new building environment here, the very clean, knowing that no something health can actually treat here. It is something that has to do with human health. Yeah, na build the mamo na akwa shifa akwa ta mo debere nde lolo nde ha na azaya nwa afọ mgbe agbara ha lụchalu na elu na 1987 1982 1983 mecha mgbe ha nwụrụ ụmụ ha jewala obodo iwu abandon say that building ndị lawyer na-erizi ego they can maintain it because ndị lawyer kọpadoro ego. Some of those buildings self if a na-akwụ na o nwere ike you find out that na some of those buildings if a na-akwụ na ewebe 92 or 98,000 every year because you must go for something that is very cheap. Yeah, I want to see you give free medical treatment to people of Ndi Omenala Ezeaku. I want to see you do that. Yeah? I want to see you do that. Kulu picture kochisi chebe niile amanongo wo the ancestors on our warrior there. Kulu picture kochisi chebe niile it is na ebe the patient na ano. Oh, the enlargement picture had 65 inches. It is in a doctor's office. Enlargement picture at 65 inches. It is in a lab. Enlargement picture doc at 65 inches television. Korea coaches he spent money on enlargement photos and the signboard. Carrier Obu Yadona dispenser. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, Michael, okay, na anya kita. Michael Amando Chukwuka sele. Leifo del Osele. This guy is over ambitious. Always career. This guy is over ambitious. Always in a competition with those that are not his mate. I thought they built a brand new hospital. I was disappointed when I saw it. Because what he actually said is that we are building a new standard hospital so that we can show them Kelonyi negosi etu esi eme ife. Kelonyi negosi etu esi eme ife. Kelonyi negosi etu esi eme ife. Ebuka obi kombaka. Kechori gosi etu esi eme ife. Yeah? I'm asking you. Ebuka obi Kechori gosi etu esi eme ife. Kombaka neje na hospital every month. Every month to come back and a hospital. They spend over 100 million on medical bills in the month. Hospital, he just 10 million. Well, he just 20 million. He invested 20 million in that hospital. Are you aware that there is no single month Mbaka is spending anything to less than 100 million in hospital outreach? I'm asking you. I am kindly asking you. So I want to know the people you want to teach. It will see me. Kendi shori teach zetu esemife. Banu mofonye e shori teach zetu esemife. Sometimes it is good to be humble and learn from people who know better than you. Otherwise, when you hype too much and do something that is little, people will belittle it. But when you pretend like you cannot do anything, then you do a little thing, people will overhype you. Because my people don't expect that you can even do anything like that. I'm asking. I was so ashamed. Yeah, I was ifelu women on amen today. Not even ifele Mathias rent a hospital. You want to go? Ifele no amen. Ngwa. Onwelebe okwu na that video. Imifo na that video. Also the Chine Chukwu Okike Abiama will help us to move to a higher place from here. And even now, Chukwu Okike Abiama will help us to move to a higher place from here. Keluka Chukwu Okike Abiama Yesu will help us move to a higher place. I thought you said that man is God to man. I'm curious. I thought you said man is God to man. I thought you said that now everything nwoke nwere ike ime n'ụwa ife mmadụ nwere ike ime n'ike aka ya and the ifo shepụtara n'obi ya. Why do you want to, how do you want Chukwu Okike Abiama to come and help you to move to a higher place? I am asking on behalf of me and my family and the Ezugo family. How can Chukwu Okike Abiama oyeje gbatara ya ama Chukwu Okike Abiama oyeje na nke akara ugo nele cement je putere ugwu 1 trailer load of cement free? I want to know how Chukwu Okike Abiama will help you to move to a higher place. Since you in Agwa want to hope on God to help us to do many things, that there is nothing God can do for us. There is nothing Jesus Christ can do for us. That is encouraging laziness. And that is the best way to encourage poverty. Is that not what you are telling us? Yeah? I am asking you. I noted that part where he said that Chukwu Okike Abiama will help us to move to a higher place. Then I kept on asking myself up to today, how can Chukwu Okike Abiama help you when you have told us that there is no God anywhere and there is nothing spiritual? That's what you told us. That now asking God or Jesus Christ for anything. Celebrate our ancestors, that you people are not hoping on our ancestors to do anything for you. I am asking you, how else can Chukwu Okike Abiama help you to move to a higher place? Or you just want to awful onya yeselugo plan unu ogwe yalo. I am asking you. Or you just shine na mo anywhere just to medical if I eat in that hospital. Onya ye go to ambulance. Can if Chukwu Okike Abiama ye melu? Onu na ne deceive omun. Oluo ona ne deceive omun. She no mado kono ne deceive. I have said it. You people are purely antichrist. There is nothing. Any other spirit can do something except Jesus Christ. It is clear. Onya mission on out. So if you see the way they are celebrating this hospital, power. Mathias Ezeaku, Mathias, you are this. You will ask yourself. Eh? Of course, I'm too young. Do you want me to be too old? I say, you seem to be too young. Do you want me to be too old? I will get old, one day. But do you want me to be too old? Eh? Or you want me to be older than my actual age? I'm asking you. So, to be too young to understand what exactly? Eh? To understand that now, after waiting tirelessly for 3 years for Mathias to shock us, he indeed shocked us today. Because that is what I least expected. Yeah? That is what I least expected. I did not expect that thing from Mathias. I expected something more quality. I expected something Yahweh for Itiembu. Eh? Hospital man waja alone. Terrier more than 10 million. I am sure. Not Terrier more than 10 million. I am sure. Not Terrier more than 10 million. Kelebe goni na hanapuru. Yeah? Eje bi mbomba signboard krenu butelu trailer butelu krenu hangeria haru je na agbo figari n'etiti signboard ebe niile mbụ ndị amahụ mgbe ekere nke ụkwa mma ofeka amahụ mgbe ekere nke ụkwa ka mkpolu enisi onweghị ife Mathias ya eme ya impress him. Let me tell you this. There is nothing he will do that will impress me, because on a to too much. Thank you very much. On a boast too much for somebody named so little. On a boast too much. He boasts too much, and he really appreciates what people are doing. He really appreciates what people are doing. That is why people like me can never see anything he's doing. That is if he's doing anything at all. If he's doing anything at all. Look at it, Ngopala. Ebidobo anything ebideba. Sunday service akala eba today. Can remember sinile bia no Omenala Ezeaku nationwide branch because even for yeketa wo ebia mepe branch. Una mme gosi ya n'ụtụtụ. Ise da na obia mepe Omenala Ezeaku Nnewi branch eba or no mepelu another hospital here. This house the more una mme gosi the more comfortable. We are always here. Since those days we satellite anye tinebe ndoka no nenyo nde pastor kagono. Mama ye wolu nkem ko ine be nyanwan. Yotago. So if you no ye me nya to show no merie ebuko obi should be his standard. Ebuko obi should be his standard. Yes. For belittling that man, for always talking down on that man, nya make sure na anything we may know in this life, it should not go below the standard they could be made. You gotta go. For example, he has been in real estate business. How I wish you know be Joe people care with him. He has been in real estate business for a very long time. So many estates will channel up to today. Over 3 years ago, up to today, they haven't even appreciated even up to 20%. Ebukobi declare interest now go up and skyrocket here to more than 150 to 200% value. You should learn from people who knows better than you. When they keep saying no, go to hospital, go to hospital. You ask yourself, are they blind to see that most of these pastors Hana Bari about hospital, well, one of the best hospitals in Nigeria today. They are claiming ignorance of that. Yet they want me Ezugo to go and celebrate that Mpokoko. None of them can even allow their relatives to be taken to that hospital. I am from Ebuka. I am from Ebuka. Police uri yeshini nekita say bia ko work is we a pharmacist. Also no FARM ko okuru. Or one day AI. Or one day AI. In this no AI na ekwu okwu because how is intelligent. Mana ha na ishe na ha mo nke ha na eme. Police say kita bia ko work is we a pharmacist echi. Also na farmer ho okuru FARM. No, I am fam. Okonni Ebuka. Onye abagana. If a pharmacist, then if he's here, if he's a pharmacist, Mathias Ezeaku ife. Mathias Ezeaku ife. That guy can amu. That guy can amu. Ofubo ife. Ofubo ife. Even that Tomamu na Oluha. Even Atomamu no Oluha na nke ha. Ha cho ke puta ke mana ifo sokulu eba. Osokwe ka ngwa sie eziokwu today. Ka ngwa sie eziokwu today. Osokwe a pastor putata. Wule guni no nwe no wa puta ni no ke ye wuri emeshi. Charity obasa holonda. They are not seeing anything. Mana Mathias Ezeaku rice nye mmadu. Efo ha akwusta nyebe mkpoto. Did you not see where Mbaka na-eke rice? Was it yesterday or 2 days ago? Mbaka shared more than 1,000 bags of rice. Did you not see it? Did you hear any of them comment on that? Comment on that. Mana Mathias si hetu buputa ha apa isa ahụ maka ife ahụ apa aji ka ọ na-ebu ma crayfish. Egota crayfish 1-2. Egota mmanụ 2008. Egota 2 cartons of indomie. Ebuta quarter bag of rice. ejegota ji 12,500 ejegota red oil 2 bottles esizie etu a na-agba isie ife niile ahụ ha kposa na ebe ahụ eke ụzọ mmadụ 30 ezuho iji wee si ofu nsi nri. Why not iworie bi ofu nwata nwaanyị nọ dị a o wee debido afịa tebụl? This is my own humble suggestion to him. Why not iworie nye otu nwata nwaanyị o wee debido afịa tebụl were elebe afịa tebụl olecha oworukwa ego jegorukwa afịa ọzọ before ma ife na-eme bọtụrụ mmanụ na abụọ agwọ bọtụrụ mmanụ 10 you end up empower ofu onye instead of every day ị na-amaghị ofu iko rice iko rice na abụ 2 cups of local beans she can block or immediately overstay go welcome here kele bonu kele dafe okay can block or use bo. Okay, let us continue. She has overstayed her welcome here. You want to go? My mother 2 cups of local beans. Local beans, him and Attire, Ishi, he must die 5 cups. Can test here where put off for me. He must die 5 cups. Koya witi yeji. Or call oil for me. Or plantain kiti die. Or the boni me plantain of me. Amacha you know 1 cup. Amaya 1 cup of rice. Ha ne hele. Osi bondo. Mbundeli chaleri. Mbaka atụrụ akpa rice une na field na-eke ndị mmadụ. Every month Mbaka na-eje medical outreach spending over 100 million half year. Mbaka nwere more than 5,000 students no under his scholarship scheme. Fada afu ife niile ahụ. Mbaka nwere more than 2,000 ụmụ akwụkwọ na-agụ scholarship, more up to 5,000, not even 2. You may go now on a spend on na paying school fees every time. I want you to tell me if Mathias Ezeaku, all these men are not doing. If you cannot appreciate them, if you cannot celebrate them, what do you want me to come and celebrate? And because these people are doing 1,000-fold of what you are doing. If you cannot appreciate them, how do you want us to see the one in Eme? How do you want us to see the one in Eme? You said that na ndị mmadụ na-atụ kọnyọrọ ha ego onyinye ha na-eme nka na ha suppose ịda na ego onyinye imepe chọọchị nke go na ego onyinye ajụ ọrụ ikwuo ọ na-amụghọ na amakwa ego n'ụlọ na-akwụ ebe ahụ maka service unu na-eme ọ na electricity dị ebe a ọ na-aha akwụ ụgwọ ọkụ ọ na-ewu ọkụ ọ na generator unu na-eyuzu ọ na-aha agba fuel na you suddenly realize that na-eji ego wee na-arụ ọnụ. Now I want to ask you, do you know how much it costs in Winners Chapel one Sunday to have a service in that church as big as that church? Do you know how much it costs? Equipment, music equipment, both speakers and musical equipment at that church alone is not less than 100 million or what, or less than 100 million. Maintenance here every month or every 2 months, you may go now. In today's bill, we have 10,000 na meter before 1 week or 1 week and double. In Mokwe go ne Winners Chapel ne go will have power that church. Do you think you actually need money more than them? Yeah? Do you think you need money more than Winners Chapel? I am asking you. You are still starting. You told us that you are a billionaire. You told us that that's what you boldly told us. So I am wondering, kerife batalona that place na akoka na mpo ego ne ka na kweba in a year pata e 350,000 there every year. Yes, pata every Sunday e wa fuel 5,000 or fuel 6,000. Kerife osije ege media iye je nyonyinye. Kerife osije ege media oji ije nye Holy Communion konzu na edo a na-ele kobo n'afọ. I'm asking you, kedu ife ọzọ iji ego eme dia ihe ejiri ya na ego onyinye dia? Why ha ejiri enye onyinye dia in the first place? Kedu ife unu ji ego eme dia? I'm asking you. Can if you that you cannot pay for house for rental of a bar who na ako ka who be wa ye aso humiliata atewo has in ego to rogonogo ni nwere ezigbo ego that you are not poor. Let me sip my 0 bitters again. You got to go. Has in nwere ego na ego ya ha agwagwo, but you are failing to meet up with just little expenses at this first stage. Yeah, at this first stage you are failing to meet up with the little expenses. Highest expenses on naron eba in a year ya nkwane ego ne fuel ego ne kon na mo na fuel marko na Sundays no ko yado kerife the bar. Yeah, kerife the bar. There is no musical equipment there. Nwere ike da adoko. Eh? Kerife do that yet ina na ego onyinye ana benye eva aparize 5 waja ji we benye Thanksgiving eba afọme bekere nka afọme bekere aparize ya ike kwusinsi ya nya kono ka na eribe uwe ruota ayi ma all those things now nwere onye wu maazị on ụmụ okoke na awu o hake ya dawo in fact ka ngwazie elu onwe ife Mathias emeta ya atum n'anya ka ngwa eziokwu onwe ife Mathias na emeta ata at the cost of this that the GO ship you bidoro ya atum n'anya. Nothing. We have seen it all in so many places. Come on, no. No somebody if ọma mmadụ na-eme na-egbu ọgụgọ. No somebody na appreciate if ọma onye Igbo ibe na-eme. We can also appreciate him when he do little. Yes, we can appreciate him, we can commend him, we can encourage him. Yes. No somebody if ọma onye ọzọ na-eme na amasị. Look at ife na-eme na nga ọkpala. Ifugo yebo kwuru okwu na. Ngwa one day nya welu apostleship ụzọ wee maala ebuka obi ha atụ. Keri ife kpatara o yeji wee wuru Ebel Damina ka ha yeji ama atụ. Si na Ebel Damina wonyawo the only pastor in Nigeria. What happens to apostleship ụzọ? Who is doing 1,000 fold of ife ha chọrọ ide eme? Apostleship ụzọ nwere free schools. There are more than 20 free schools on well. Apostleship ụzọ nwere over more than 14 free hospitals. Apostleship ụzọ nwere more than 15 free restaurants. When you walk in there, you eat. Apostleship ụzọ nwere over 5, 6 to 7,000 students, both international and local, known as his scholarship scheme. Apostleship ụzọ has adopted more than 100 to 200 kids. Ebe na be ndị bi na be alone karịrị 50. What is that? Apostleship ụzọ a representative as a pastor. So why will you prefer to give example with the Ebel Damina, Father Angelo, and not Apostleship ụzọ? I'm asking you. Why will you prefer to give example with the Father Angelo and the Ebel Damina and not Apostleship ụzọ? I'm asking you. Whatever thing you have preached, whatever thing you have wanted, Apostleship ụzọ they made in 1,000 fold. Yes. In fact, only one daughter. He's not even bothered. He keep making money. So many people. Many disabled people. Only taking care of. OPM a house will go. OPM will more than, let me not lie, OPM will more than 25 free estates. Eben de madubi fada ụgwọ. Eben de madubi fada ụgwọ. So ọ wụrụ na Mathias wonye ife mmadụ na-eme na amasị. Why can't you use Apostleship ụzọ as an example to reach out to other pastors? Since you have failed to realize that Evangelist Ebuka has empowered over 2,000 people to go into businesses. He keeps supporting thousands of businesses out there. You have failed to understand it. You have failed to understand that this hospital, Megremo, in and back, that somebody has been doing it over the years. Did you hear what Evangelist Ebuka said when they showed that psychiatric hospital? He said, I will instruct Seraphic Foundation to make sure that they finalized work in this psychiatric home within the next 1 month. I will instruct Seraphic Foundation. And I will ask you, that Seraphic Foundation, where are they getting their funding from? Where are they getting their funding from? Then I told them again, Nahas in Ilo na Seraphic Hospital, or free. I told them, to the less privileged, it is free. To those who can afford it, they will pay. Yes, because they go KJ around that hospital. We maintain all that hospital and that standard on. So when those who cannot afford it come there, Nifa Nemeu, na so many establishments, Zion Ministry will they may go na potane, e will go to the 18 Seraphic Foundation. Since the Seraphic Foundation, they will go when I fund so many of their humanitarian services. For example, onye ayakuniro where you go hospital, more do treated in Seraphic Hospital. Hospital management, when they were for na of a true, no nya the handicapped, no nya enwehiki nyewulo yaka na this hospital. They will write to Seraphic Foundation. It's in a Seraphic Foundation. Would they go? Where be one at that hospital? We kill a bill on ya. If you cannot appreciate all this, why do you want me to come and appreciate Ufunkwankwa kiosk Jemepenampo? Because what you open is kiosk. You cannot look down on my Roses Phantom, but you will want me to be happy and congratulate you. Nijegota Camry 2.2. Ademeyeme. You cannot look down on iPhone 14 Pro Max. It just say go to Samsung S2 or S3. You want me to come and encourage you and say, brother, you are trying Itogoli 14 Pro Max. And one day you will want to have 14 Pro Max. The moment they say, hey, now my brother, 65 inches television now, maka. If you only me, the moment he need to that TV, pocket go na wifi pocket go na wifi ne go na so we batanu na pick if any na he you are admiring what somebody has done. Can you tell me one good reason why that 65 inches television tomorrow or next tomorrow will not come to your house? Can you tell me? But if 65 inches television is all there. And I have to see a go. If I go, no, you go 65 inches television. Then about to be your channel. About to be your channel on a good television. Then one television, no good. Color ya do the moment in a codo television, if you go say only each of him for my bang. If you go say only 22 inches or 21 inches, that you are okay with that 21 inches. And the nation and the spirit is so we mark it good. Settled. This 21 inches, okay. This is something people are there water. They don't understand it. So there is not Mathias Ezeaku go to school. There is nothing so special with that. Can you find special with that? But then at the same hospital, Akudo, by him with student nurses and doctors. Is it not a diocese? Oblo diocese with na fonde. Oblo diocese na fonde. Jena Holy Child Convent Amish. Jena Carol Standard Ishi. Oblo diocese na fonde even na. Jena Technical University here. No diocese mepelu. Side the Orifte. Is it not church funding those things? Do you know how many students are not there on scholarship? Do you know how many students are not there? All diocese with an Afumaka. If you cannot commend what they are doing, why do you want us to commend the little in Eme? When we are with the people who are doing the most. It is only when you are commending the little, the much people in Eme, that when you do little, we will say, okay, onya na try, at least one day. At least one day. At least one day. If you can't see it, yeah. Nenu ife waja delu. Nenu ife waja delu. Mboshi alo ife amata cubicle amata ya selo na mbo. Maka cubicle. Yeah. Osele. Oshiali wese. With this effort, some people are still speaking against Mathias Ezeaku, gospel of truth, while defending miracle soap and anointing oil water. Yeah? With this effort. Which effort? Which effort? Eh? Which effort? Obu ebuko obiuzo and the following day pastor, where man the importance of building hospitals. Obu huzo. Onyama wonye kuziri ha na yaro hospital. I'll get the win. I'll get the win. I greet you. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday, sir. Eh? Nti odokwa. Ka ị na-ekwu eziokwu na eziokwu do mma. Ifo nka m bụ Lexus Jeep. Ese ha na na-enie ogo ono na-eko. Ogo ono na-eko. O jekwa na mabu Lexus Jeep. Onwe owa nkoba ebe ahụ efuru yo. Okwo ka ọ na-eko. Ka e wee sị na ka e wee sị na o mere ife a. Eshi niile mfuzi egwu ebe ibu Lexus ES350. A shock and aka. But you talked down on my Lexus Jeep. You want me now to come and start celebrating your car. You are a joker. You are a joker. From anything special with that hospital. In fact, there is nothing special with that hospital. Let me say it here. That is not even a hospital. That is a chemist in a cubicle. Hear it. Very dirty place. Bukola oguma mo hono na one carton case we woputa ndeke share eto ndeke lofu tablet nke atowala atowo Holy Spirit dobe ebe niile na mkpo ke ife do dia ogu niile do na that chemist o septala yeba 150,000 gorie 150,000 gorie ke ife do special with that thing o go send them mad Jenny Teaching Hospital bagari ebe niile there are places. In fact, doctors who private hospitals that nowhere. Yeah, we know about Paradisha if standard hospital. Jena Zenith Hospital. Jena so many hospitals anywhere and nowhere privately owned hospital. Jena nke Dr. Udechuku also known as in their fact. Na new diocese. Jena nke Dr. Udechuku as far back as 10, 12 years ago. In fact, what do you mean? 2000 and Mgbe buje my mom na Udechukwu hospital. Mgbe buje my mom na Udechukwu hospital Udechukwu na 2007/2008. Ke buje my mom na hospital Dr. Udechukwu. The man who onye obaka ogono. Mana the man meri nchegale. Hey, the man bu efe akinisi. The man bu efe akinisi. But only hospital. Yeah? 3-story building. Have been at the last floor. Anna 1 and 2 will hospital. 2007 so 2008. Onye chegale Bukanisi will hospital and he is a medical doctor. He's a medical doctor. So I don't know what you people are feeling like. You feel no so no the implication of what do you mean? Are there not reverend fathers who are doctors? Are there no who are doctors. There are pastors who are medical doctors. There are soldiers who are medical doctors. Trained one. Ụfọdụ n'ime ha professional surgeons. What are you telling us? You want to tell us that you are the only person who know the advantage of hospital? Is that what you are telling me? Jane teaching hospital ebeni. A lot of ndị na-afụ ebe awo ndị fada. A lot of doctors say na-afụ ebe awo ndị bụ ụka n'isi. Ụfọdụ n'ime ha kachiri SU, kachie SU nte. Ụfọdụ n'ime ha kagido SU kachie ye nte. Pule fak n'isi, charismatic ha bụ n'isi. Ị na-agwa m? Yeah? What do you mean? Oge mmerụ surgery. Doctor merụ surgery batalụ. Ebe a. Kpekpele. Nkwuo amen before wee gbaa mụ ọgwụ ahụ na-esizi mmadụ ye feel pain. He prayed with the nurses there before he started doing anything on eme. Yeah? So what is there? Kedu ife unu na-akọwala anyị unu chere anyị amahụ? Do you think that you people may unu travel? Most of you are not even traveling. Most of you are not even traveling. You left Nigeria to UK since the last 15 years. For that last 15 years, you are stuck in UK. Isi bodo UK, J America. See UK, J Dubai. See UK, visit any of the Asian countries. See UK, J even Germany. You are still in that city, Idarana, UK, 15 years ago. Do you think that you are a traveler? So, upon the travelers, a traveler. That now since Iji West Enugu State, be a Newi. Nisi bo Newi apu. But you are telling Inaru Enugu State, now what the bono, that you are a traveler. No yen jenje ko onyi sawo if you're mal. Mana since Iji West Enugu State, be a Newi. Movement from Umezagu Bibi to shop one anko, from shop one anko, Ije meeting Nuru, from Uru, and Ashia back to across Bodu River Niger. A cross Bodu Ekusigo, Luom Widi, Mawako, Amoka. You have not even visited more than 3 states in that country, but you want to come and claim credit that you are a traveler. Imoboda hijeri agwago need take your time. America no na one state in America where abani a traveler. Onye no na Nigeria ebe na study na research of ma ya kolo 1,000 million in America ngonke yama. This is power now. This is where the power of information lies now. Yes, if you like, you can travel 100 times. Onye do updated with information can dismantle you. Can dismantle you with a fact. Within 30 minutes, you will be, you lose wogu like this. Yeah. Oh, mother, kana pona abwe onukwonu na inukwonu ife melu na orifte. Onukwo nnewi eba onukwo orifte. Onuhodi ife melu na orifte. Eh? But somebody do updated with the news. Abrows goes, what news? What's the going on Orifte? Somebody is in Lagos. Go on Orifte. Na second na inukonife melu na nkwe dawo. Go on Orifte. E mo hodu no melu. Man onye no Lagos na akpogo. Imezie inquiries ifuna ife a mere eme. E what I go. Ifuna ife a mere eme. Eh? Ife na-ebi unu wuche. Unu eche na nna agwawu na agwawu. Ife na agwa unu weziokwu. Ịghọtago? Ife na agwa unu weziokwu. O nwere ife mfuru do special with that cubicle. I wasn't even expecting something as cheap, as local as what I saw. That is the truth. What I saw, the very local. Yeah? It is very poor to the standard in the Mathias. Ịghọtago? I expected more. Otherwise, why would it take 3 years to 4 years for that thing to be actualized? I was even thinking that no, na hospital. Yeah? I was even to tell you that na since Onjekwoku hospital that he has been making mouth. Yeah? He has been making mouth. When go within the last 2 months ozugbo obido nke omeru, because nke omeru cannot be ihe ejekwa ụgwọ flat mmadụ for 3 years. Oche adọbalụ ka ọfịs adọbalụ ka equipment ka ọ na-ego since over 3 years to 4 years. I want to know. Iji wee gosi na this thing o mere uwu something or conceived just 2 or 3 months ago. That for that 2 years and on agwa no na hospital, if I noise, he was just making noise. And at the end of the day, o decided ko meye ko we gbana him daughter, because I had to carry an in that hospital. Any carrier na so that hospital, I want to akude in that hospital. You got to go. I told her I do in that hospital. So what we are trying to tell you people is that Obro na Mathias understand their important all other Igbo sons and daughters in Alo. When he do something, we will also encourage him and appreciate him to do better. But when you people are always trying to tell us no Ozibondo, even when he is doing nothing, Mathias will make go quarter of what Bishop Ozoburu nemelu Ndigbo. Bishop Ozoburu ekebu ha rice. Okay, na more than 30,000 bags of rice. But only one Christmas na apagari man Onisha, na apagari man Nnewi, na apagari ebe ni ebe na afọ rice. Si go shie bru na ebu databe aneke ndị mmadụ. Man da house abia ke rice. Bishop Ozoburu nwere about 2 to 3 charity homes all nya completely in Ozobulu, funding it. Are you not aware? Bishop Ozobulu, Ozobulu, if I'm not mistaken, the whole widows and widowers all place in Hanasara now every month. Are you not aware? He has sponsored more than 2,000 people on scholarship. Currently, close to 1,000 now run concurrently. Are you not aware? Are you not aware, for God's sake? So, what I mean, what is there? What is there for somebody to tell me, hey, Ozibondo, because na Mathias na Facebook, you talk down on other prestigious Igbo sons and daughters, and you think that we will come and be looking at you. Who is not even above the standard they now operate? You are a local man. You are a local man. It is only local people that appreciate you. We have been to hospitals, known hospitals, even in a hospital. That hospital, we have been to those hospitals. So who will come and appreciate that local, if he develop local something in Jedewin and Pop? On the Miamula and Kawia de Jeba. No one see. Yeah? Then out away you. Oh, higher that Bieba. In fact, in the Loria, they are that Biane, or the call the power to call the good. If you have a kubu, now come over, now come over. Yeah, now come over. Now come over. Jane at the Sun Hospital, I could do you about if we found a media. You about if we found a media. Yes. When she if I na my birthday, before I sent somebody, I'm from Lagos. I sent somebody where Nyaje at the same hospital, Urueba, Nyawotamo Afa Mado 4. Meshanalo, I have hospital bill. Before I proceed to teaching hospital. They went there, a waterman from Mado 4. They to see alum bills. You see, okay? God bear me witness. Annie Dons will bear me witness. I called Annie Dons. I even forwarded that names to Annie Dons. Annie Dons said no problem. That Nudodi. Now, by the time Njiweba that has Newi, barely how many days? Rona teaching hospital na the same hospital Akudo. I went with Ijowa. Ijowa will bear me witness. I look at the bar. Or what was na the only one person can go Sizilai Only one person can go see, and that person is Hoduna Mado for any. Agwarai. When you was in the nurse, can you feel how is him? Then when people na hospital, if for the hospital soon a mewu, or na in our treatment, a discharge ya. O na iji ego iyeju egwugwo hospital. If you had a mewu, he move out of bed. In na bed, he had that go bed ya every night. Ishirizi akwa dine wezie nana ma wona jeze na etine n'ihu sit out oyi na abo for that ma da same hospital akuda yeme akudo ya hapụrụ bed ịnọrọ na bed akudo nyesiru aka na ashonda na ada abịa hospital outreach nyeru aka na reach out to nda ahụ na agwa ha na enwekwo patient no bife ma ife na-eme ofu onye atụ check agbago bukola akpa na o we wuru na ife awu ite meru bills of over egone paid I will proceed to say we go back to teaching hospital. Ijowa will hear me witness. I clear say one person not there. That was the teaching hospital. Yeah, I remember Ijowa but not na teaching hospital. Na eba aka mmafu nde ahwado and we went there. What I go? So this is what a mission hospital can do. This is what a mission hospital can do. Now, measure the girl. Keki si elini. Owese na nde nurse na enyeri ya aka. Bagari na ward e mana onwere nde a na ebutelu nni excess. Just like oge my mom no that akudo. Oge my mom no that same hospital akudo. My mom ha nwelu. Unwe ka family my mom do. E what I go? Their families nya from ebe esi we nota mama. Ha na eyi nwanne ofuma. Ha na-eyi nwanne ọfụma and ha na-akpọrọ ụmụ ha jene introduce ha to ụmụnne ha niile ụmụnne my mom niile ụmụ nwanne nne m ochie ha niile even n'ebe my mom ha mụrụ nwa Diana anyị ma ha ncha niile one after the other ọ ka iwe mara ka ha si eyikwu so if I na-eme mgbe ahụ na room my mom ebe anyị nọ na akwudo mgbe ahụ every day nothing less than food flags 15 and I'm not exaggerating nothing less than food flags 15 ụkwa ji agwọ plantain porridge a lot of nni ka anyị ebute banana ebe niile bread ndị nọọsụ abịa ke ndị esi etu abụrie na-abagasị na ward je na-edukọ ndị enweghị onye na-abịa afọ ha ife aka ndị nọọsụ na-eme na mission hospitals onye ọnwụ na-agbalago look down on mission hospitals onye ahụ represented the fact akwudo na-azọ people from poorest family ndụ that same hospital akwuda jezie n'ihenu jee na Amakụ General Hospital Ọka ilu ebe ahụ you will see what is happening. Mission schools government pụtawolie Peter Obi gbagota olukwa schools niile a nyechiyakwa back to churches straight schools ahụ niile bidokwa perform well Peter Obi wee gba na iwere ego ahụ nye ye ndị Ministry of Education na nko erie that money mana go were ego ahụ nye ndị church na ego ahụ ya do save na ya eji ego ahụ mee ife ahụ ịchọ ka ewere eme. That is the fact. You cannot misrepresent that fact. So if you cannot ọnọdụ ka etu a ka mmadụ ga-atụ ọnọdụ ka etu a ifuna Regina Kari Specialist Hospital Ọka 2. Thank you, Adi Barize. There are people here who are also informed about these things. Ijena mission hospitals. You will appreciate what the churches are doing. So if you cannot appreciate what churches are doing, you now, since Mathias has become a church leader, since Mathias has become a Daddy GO2, how do you want us to see what your own church is doing? when you are not appreciating your colleagues who are your senior brothers in this ministry which you have entered. Because believe me, believe it or not, you have entered into the ministry. You are now a minister. You are now a DGO. You are now the leader of a congregation, even though not a smaller congregation, but you are also a leader of a congregation. And we know the games. Mr. Keko Konkwo has supported Omenala Hospital with 100,000. I say call Keko Konkwo without any money. If I will a plan, if I will a format, can them mad we do whatever kuche we some them mad if yes, if I will a pure format. Yeah. If you only want to say no Keko Okaf, you don't chew you know takasicha nya with 100,000. Onye chew ye takasicha akwa emelu ndokasicha nya with 100,000. O kacha na hachi iru umu ojoba ha na aru ha ye wodu nde kpakọrọ ọnụ o ni furu onye na agafe na-ejere onwe ya ụka una akpọ ya se na bịa na onwe ife anyị chọ ka imere anyị o melu na comfortably well gaba nwere onye unu yeji we art that thing no no na nwere onye unu yeji we art that kind of thing no no na mụkwụ n'ọdụ ka mgbe a aya ya na ndụ kpọtalụ jero n'oyi agụ abagana je kpọkọta ụmụti mkpa pụtara nke asịrị n'ọwụ oke jakata oke jakata ka ọ na-etikwo n'ọwụ oje oke jakata mpekere simenti o ji wee je lụọ ọrụ ebe eji ọbụ tapatakwuru ya na ntị o were ekwu n'ọwụ oke jakata na sisi o ji wee bịa ebe abịa gwụọ ọgwụ na nọ na-efepụsị n'abata kọntena na-abata n'apụ nke ọzọ sị na ọ na-eme nke ọzọ sị na instead of ọ ekwu na ọ na-eme BTC ọ sị na ọ na-eme TBC nke a sịrị na ọ na-eme TBC inene a na-ebe telọ na ji wee fold si wee fold trouser ọ dọrie na adọrie inene ukwu boxers ya pụta n'elu oni ji ha amaghị eme arinji ha amaghị eme arinji shasha ife onye agwara unu oweta 100,000 ife onye agwara unu owetara achị gwa na mmadụ weta 100,000 esepụta onye yi kashmia kara aka nya onwe ka anyị isi wee amaghị ife anyị eme ejekọta Isiagu ka oyi oyiri ejighị Isiagu abụọ ọgaranya onweghị Isiagu nke ọgaranya onweghị Isiagu nke okenye onweghị okpuru edewu nke ọgaranya onweghị okpuru edewu nke okenye so the highest way to disguise as ọgaranya is by Isiagu kpuru okpuru ede ngwa onwere Isiagu ịma a na-elere afịa taa nke ọgaranya ife nọ na Facebook esi hey nwanne onye Isiagu onye kpokpu ndeze mana eseta ha shu result agba o nwere shu agba o nwere shu agbara nze midia na Germany tata o kwuru na ọ na-eje ụka shu ahụ kapụsụ mana agbakwa na nke ahụ nwere ike ịgara ọnụ shu ahụ àwọn nọmpa gbara nze shiri shu ahụ adụshọn ọwụ nọ 15 years ago ka agbara nze jebe Germany agbara nze ji shu ahụ wee si Nigeria wee jebe Germany kapụsụ ifu shu kapụsụ ụdị shu ahụ ahapụ eji ya atụ ife a because na ndị mmadụ ahịa afụ ego shu ahụ na ahụ ya o nwere ụdị shu na pamspas ripon a na-eji wee na-eme ụmụ arinji a o were eghe chọnụ ụmụ ọla aka nwee ka o si wee do gbakọrịa weda na ofeki ka ọrịa gbakọrịa ya na-ekwuzi iweta 100,000 onye akwa dọkasịcha shuye takasịcha weta 100,000 fọmatị ife eji wee mee ewu ka uche wee sọ ndị mmadụ ife emepekwa n'ọfisi again ndị uche ha adụghị ya tịrakwa ego na data ife a ịghọtago emepego ọfisi ebidogo ịya ha afụ ndị ya ebido tiwe ego eji 200,000 wee sọpọtụ eji 100,000 wee sọpọtụ mana alụgo job ọga good job or guy. I am with any now. We know all those things. Or how can alone a group? Or how can for you to successfully move forward, you must appreciate those people who have succeeded in that field. Check it now. Any hospital fire that onye kwa ibe ya kugwarukwe. You got to go onye kwa ibe ya kugwarukwe. Onye kwa ibe ya kugwarukwe. For you to, in fact, for you to come out today, sine wo Oraimo code, even Oraimo, oye na ato Oraimo code, Oraimo kelafe power bank, ye go to new age respect, because now new age has sonande bidolu this, bidolu this omife phone accessories. So how can you be talking down on new age and you think you can do better? I'm asking you. How can you be talking down on engineer Ajoro Zodike, Oziuzon Newi, may he so rest in peace, and you think you can be a better engineer? How can you be talking down on Dr. Douglas Nkenderem, ezigbote mgbamgba gynecologist na Nnewi, the former CMD Nnewi Daisang Hospital Akudo for over 30 years before we retire? How can you be talking down on that man who nwere ike ka Dr. Nkenderem si eme operation appendix wu o muchi anya within the next few minutes onye hapụta another person aba? You know that go. I know gynecologist call because all doctor why call. You know that go. How can you be talking down on somebody like Douglas and Kendrick, but you want to be a successful doctor? How can you be talking down on barrister Oliselu Kosigwe San, barrister Emeke Etiaba San? Barrister Chikodri Nwogugu Omalefiola 1 na Nnewi. How can you be talking back eco better? How can you be talking down on these people, but you claim that you want to be a successful lawyer? I am asking you. It cannot happen. How can you be talking down at Chief Cletus Ibeto Umekanne, Innocent Chukuma, if they are some Newi? Because Shari is a Madoka, Obo Newi. Gabriel Chukuma, Mbamo Nuku. If you guys are one half, Daniel Ushendo, Ugonna Newi. Louis Omubelu, Opato Zwara. Chika Okafo, Akwatu Ebu Newi. How can you be talking down on all these people I am mentioning, but you claim you want to be a successful businessman? It cannot happen anywhere. Shanghai Anosike Kuoku, Emapata, but you want to be a successful engineer. Even Zubixiha. How Kuoku Emachapata? But you want to be a successful contractor. You must appreciate what Gumek did in this part. You must appreciate it. You must appreciate what Wishtek did. That is the only way you can be better. So many engineers now are springing up and Newi, Tata. They respect people like Frando is here because they know that now Frando is here. When you look at those old structure building, Odia Chikasin Kabineta, Odia Gabrosu Kuturu Wero Onko Orolo, Odia God brothers akabine. Most of all those buildings na Nnewi from those Haloria. As an upcoming engineer that is doing well, you must appreciate the labor of people like this for making way. You are learning from them. If you talk down on them, it means you don't want to go far. It means you don't want to go far. Yes. You want to go into motorcycle spare parts. Apafa P.O. Obuawa late. They say, Uchelinko, Louis Kata, Innocent, but you want to be a successful motorcycle spare parts dealer. Yeah? So Mathias, as a new Daddy GO in town, as a new minister who has been called into the ministry, as a new church owner, you must respect these people who has shown, if not for anything, this is not business. At least it is because of them they go into church. You will pay your own church. Without them, without seeing them and the kind of life they are living, how are you going to know that they go to Noka? How are you going to know that they go to Noka? So they are senior colleagues in that business. You should appreciate them. You should appreciate the fact that you are learning from them. Anything short of that, it's yourself go and buy a golden shoe. I will tell you why that shoe is a fake golden shoe. Go and buy it. Go a golden ring. I will tell you 100 reasons why that ring is a fake gold. I'm telling you. And it's not a joke. Yeah? Go Roses Phantom Naba. Roses Phantom. You cannot disprove it. Yeah? You cannot disprove it. So, that joke of a chemist today is nothing to write home about. There is nothing so special about it. People should stop making noise about that. There is nothing so special, absolutely so special about it. Absolutely nothing so special about it. Because the people you are condemning, they did things way more better than what you have done. If you have done something, let's say Ketana, Agwamona hospitals, Iyadago, Kasarafic Hospital, and Lagos or St. Nicholas. Let's say that now, so Mathias Seketa Lolo, St. Nicholas na southeast here. We can say okay. At least this guy I hope on way for you can say that now this guy I block one way for but not what you have done, my brother. If he mail out to him nanya, or to him nanya, I must say not to him nanya. You ought to go. Trodden nanya sha. And I mean no many insult about that. Then Mazo Guaram na no clue na no nyemu 50,000. I will begin to talk in his favor. Mathias, they play. Anyway, I think I will bring this broadcast to the end here. You want to go? I'll bring this broadcast to the end here. And the Omenala Ezeaku, the day you people start appreciating the good work that the pastors are doing, that day, perhaps we may start looking at some of the things we need. But for as long as you people keep doing exactly what you have been complaining, you want to I want Mathias be done church today, or that offering. Are they make Thanksgiving? Onye bia ko uko na. Kama mmadu ye wota. Ore na. The other day, o mere Project Sunday. In that Project Sunday, people were donating money. Who is fooling who? Quite a fool dibe. Ona fodola. Keri dulu unechena eri ai. At least odomanya na nka nọ n'ime na eri homeri. Yes, nne na nna m nwere n'ime ntolitekwa continue na. You ought to go. Eri homeri. So, all no bidolie. Maybe something do different from before and point accusing fingers of those people. And not giving us reasons why he is doing the same thing. Ndona akwafa na eme. Yalalam. Nkempo Adubo established omepesana branches all over. I jokwa keriva na emepe branches. Because na ebuko obi ha nwechalo hospital. Ochokwa ka oje mepe nke. He learned it from them. He's not teaching them. Yes. Some mission hospitals do older than Mathias. Some mission hospitals do older than Papa Mata Mathias. So what is he teaching us? It's not teaching us anything. It's not teaching us anything. Senior answer na that Jaguar does something all on Ampo. Hey! Gbanye na-ezugo si na that Jaguar does something. Iwe nwe emergency. Ewe buru uje ebe a. They will be fi ije ebe a. You got to go. That thing is substandard. Nke nurse ume Ezeaku. Yes, the same Dr. Life self. Nke Dr. Life. Dr. Life na okpu n'ezi. You got to go. Ilo na nke Dr. Life. Dr. Life ebubuti ife ke yu n'aka. Duo m ntutu kwere u drip. Kene ife ọzọ a na-eme dia. Nwere ife ọzọ a na-eme. Hapụzie maka ife niile ahụ edejuru na billboard. O nwere ike ọwụrụ nke ọ ka chọrọ ibido ime next 10 years ọgbụgbarụ dee ya na billboard onye akwadozie mmadụ bịa ebe ahụ ha chagharịba anya ka ọkụkọ. I will end it here. Ka abalị amaala anyị mma. I still remains your favorite Ezugo. Ezigbote onye Nnewi, ezigbote nwa Anedo. You got to go. Oh, they like it. I don't worry. One day you will like us. Ka abalị taa amaala anyị mma. Kachifonu ndị nkem. Kachifonu.